Lastiur terus. I'm from the Pendidikan Kepercayaan Terhadap Tuhan Maha Esa educational program. So today I will make a tutorial on how to make origami box. The goal of making this video is to fulfill English semester final exam assessment and English lecture Mem Novita. And let's start. As for the ingredients and the tool, the harvest paper and scissors. Step 1. Fold the paper in half. Then take a sheet of each VG quarter paper and fold it into 2 each VG quarter papers. You have to fold the paper in the transverse direction along the legs so as to produce a shape that is the same width but half the legs of each VG quarter. Step 2. Fold again in the same direction. Then take the paper that was folded in a layer and fold it once again into 2 parts in the same direction. Step 3. Unfold paper folds. Step 4. Fold the paper in half in the opposite direction with the paper unfolded. You need to change direction and fold it in half again, hot dog style. Step 5. Fold the paper in half again in the same direction. Step 6. Create part of paper folders. Step 7. Fold the paper in half hamburger style so that the shape of the paper becomes the same length but half the width of each VG quarter. Step 8. Cut along the 3 crease lines down the middle of the paper. Point the center lines of the folded paper towards you. Then use scissors to cut along the 3 full lines that cross the center line of the paper. Step 9. Unfold paper folds. Step 10. Cut the connection. Step 11. Fold back opening out when you open the opening folded onwards towards the edge of the paper, and you'll see an empty space in the middle of the paper. Step 12. Flip paper. The paper is facing down and touching your wall surface. Step 13. Fold the top and bottom to the middle. Take the top and bottom halves of the paper and fold the inward toward the center of the papers. Step 14. Fold the paper in half, hot dog style, with the top and bottom folded to the center. You will now need to fold the entire surface of the paper in the hot dog style. Step 15. Push the left and right sides together to form a wedge. Step 16. Unite to form the letter X. Step 17. Fold it in half in the middle. You need to fold the middle like you are closing a book. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video is useful. Rahayu.